Hi, genius writers! Ever seen a fraction and wondered what percent it is? Today we'll learn how to convert fractions to percentages. Fast and fun. To change a fraction into a percent, we just multiply by 100, because percent means out of 100. Let's try 1 out of 4. That's 1 divided by 4. Now multiply by 100. 0.25 times 100 equals 25%. So 1 quarter equals 25%. Example 2. 4 out of 1,000. Now for a tiny piece, 4 out of 1,000. 4 divided by 1,000 equals 0.004. Multiply by 100. 0.004 times 100 equals 0.4%. So 4 per 1,000 equals 0.4%. Example 3. 1½ mixed number. What about a mixed number like 1 and 1/2? First, turn it into an improper fraction. 1½ equals 3/2. Now divide 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. Multiply by 100, which equals to 150%. Let's remember the steps. Divide the top by the bottom. Multiply the answer by 100. Add a percent sign. Fractions to percents, easy as pie. See you next time on Genius Wave.